Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to force Microsoft Word to open a blank document every time opening the app. Disabling the default landing screen stops Word from forcing you to choose from template libraries or recent files, letting you skip straight into a blank typing sheet the moment you launch the software interface. First, open Microsoft Word, look at the top left corner of the interface menu, and click on File. Move to the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and select Options. A configuration options window will pop up on your screen. Click on the General tab located at the very top of the sidebar list. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Properties menu until you reach the section explicitly headed Startup Options. Locate the specific setting checkbox labeled Show the Start Screen when this application starts. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely kill the automated dashboard landing screen engine. Click the OK button at the bottom of the main options window to lock your preferences into the system core. Close the application completely, relaunch Microsoft Word from your shortcut link, and watch it skip the dashboard panel to throw you straight into a fresh document layout instantly. And that's it! Your fast launch blank page configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.